Good morning, students. Our today's topic is types of fractions. First are like fractions. The fractions having the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 1 by 6 and 2 by 6. Here 6 is same, so these fractions are called like fractions. Unlike fractions, the fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions, like 2 by 11 and 5 by 6. Here denominators 11 and 6 both are different, so these fractions are called unlike fractions. Our next is proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. For example, 6 by 8 and 2 by 5. Here 6 is less than 8 and 2 is also less than 5. So these type of fractions are called proper fractions. This is a whole thing and it is divided into 5 equal parts. The fraction of shaded part is 2 by 5. Here 2 is less than 5. So it is a proper fraction. Now mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is a combination of whole and proper fraction. For example, 2 1 by 2. Here in this picture we have taken 2 apples and from the third apple we have taken half part. So the fraction of these apples is 2 1 by 2. Here I have taken 1 glass full of juice and here it is half glass full of juice. So the fraction of this picture is 1 1 by 2. Improper fraction. The fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to denominator is called improper fraction. For example, 5 by 2. Improper fraction is the way to write mixed fraction. It can better understand by this example. Again 2 and half apples are taken. So this apple is divided into 2 equal parts and these 2 apples were also divided into 2 equal parts. So the fraction of this full apple is 2 by 2 and here also the fraction is 2 by 2 and the fraction of this half part is 1 by 2. When we will add these like fractions, we will add only the numerators and denominator will remain same. So its fraction is 5 by 2. 5 is greater than 2. It means numerator is greater than denominator. So it is called improper fraction. Equivalent fraction. Here 3 equals wholes are given. In first picture, this square is divided into 2 equal parts and one part is shaded. So fraction of shaded part is 1 by 2. In this picture, fraction of shaded part is 2 by 4. In this picture, this square is divided into 16 equal parts and the fraction of shaded part is 8. It can be written as 1 divided by 2, 2 divided by 4 and 8 by 16 can be written as 8 divided by 16. And meaning of all these fractions is 0.5. It means only the numbers are different but meaning of all the fractions are same. Shaded portion is same in all these 3 pictures. So such type of fractions are called equivalent fractions. This is also an example of equivalent fraction. 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. The shaded portion in all the circles is same. Only the numbers in the fractions are different. That's all for the day. Thank you.